Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Joe here. Got another box to unbox for you here. This is the Breo box, and it's a huge box. It's a quarterly box, so it comes out every 3 months, and basically it should be a really knock out of the park kind of box. Let me tell you a little bit about it. Breo, they put together this custom wooden box. This is wood right here. Puts together a custom wooden box every 3 months for you to check out. And they put in 5 to 8 premium items that have to do with lifestyle, tech, all kinds of good things. And I'll put the pricing details in the description so you can check that out later on if this is a box for you that you're interested in. But let's go ahead and check it out. This right here, this is the summer 2018 box. Like I said, it comes out every 3 months, every quarter. And this is the summer 2018 box. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what's in it. Breo. Oh, okay. So first thing we have here looks like this is a portable ultrasonic aroma diffuser. So it's going to put all kinds of different really nice aromas into the air in your home for you. Your essential oils and such. I've got a couple of these in the house already, and they just put out a really nice smell throughout your house that you can get like with essential oils, like I said, or other brands. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this up, see what it looks like inside. And this product is from Serene House, is the company that provides this. Okay, so here you go. It's nothing too large. It's just going to put some nice smells into your home for you. It doesn't take up a whole lot of room, and a little power button on the front, black in color, and just tuck this away in the corner and let it do its job for your home. So just put that aside for now. Move on to the next item. Next item that we have up is, if I can get it out, is the Splash Tunes Pro. This is a Bluetooth waterproof shower speaker. Hangs up in your shower, probably by suction. Just stick it on the tiles in your shower there, and listen to some tunes while you're taking a shower. Listen to music and answer calls. So that's pretty cool. Definitely check that out later. Let's see if we can open this up. Yeah, Bluetooth speaker there for you. And it does have a suction cup on the back of it there, so you can put it up in your shower. And hopefully it's got some good music, some good sound quality. Like I said, I'll check that out later. Okay. Spring mill set. Okay, our next item here is called a spring mill set from Ipare, I guess, Ipare. Basically, you put your spices into it, your pepper or salt, and this little gadget will crush them up for you. And it looks like, yes, it comes in a set of 2. Nice. So you put your spices in that, and it'll grind them up for you. Okay. Next from Serene House, we have a lemongrass, pure, 100% pure and natural essential oil, therapeutic grade. So this right here, this lemongrass, I believe we can use that with the diffuser that I opened up a little bit earlier to put some lemongrass aroma into the air. Oh yeah, that's definitely what this is. Yeah, it's just basically it's just an oil, and you put this with mix it with put some water into the diffuser that I showed you earlier. Put a couple of drops of this into it, and you've got the smell of lemongrass in the air then in your house. So I'll definitely be checking that out later on. Okay. Here we have a TRX Go suspension trainer. Okay, according to this, perform 100 plus exercises by learning 7 simple movements. So basically this is something that you just basically probably hang up on a door frame or something like that, and it uses your own body weight to provide the resistance for the exercises that you do for this gadget. Let's see if we can open this up here. Yeah, total body workout system, it says. Okay, definitely a few things to open up and check out later, but you get the gist of what it does. And that is included in the summer 2018 Breo box. And we've got a little card here, it looks like. Breo. Basically what it is it is a breakdown of everything that came in the box and what each item is worth. So there is one more item in here. Oh, a couple of more items. Let's see what this is. Okay, I believe this is a card that goes with the exercise system. TRX Key to Free. Access to setup instructions and workouts. That's cool. Okay, you get some more support by entering this code in that's on this card, and you go log onto the website and you can get some more instructions and workouts for the workout system I showed you earlier. Lastly, in the box we have the Corksicle One, the all-in-one solution for perfect wine. Not a big wine drinker myself, so I'm not exactly sure what this is for. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what this is. I probably won't be using it that much, if any. Like I said, I'm not much of a wine drinker myself. I think maybe it helps keep your wine chilled or something like that. But I'll take a look at this more later on. But anyways, that is the summer 2018 edition of the Breo box. Definitely got some interesting, cool items in it. And that's my first box of the Breo. And I'm pretty impressed with it. It definitely came with some cool stuff that I'll be checking out later. And I'm looking forward to getting another box from them in a couple months and sharing it with you again at that time. So until then, you all take care. Bye.